females have a passion for flight. They can travel about 10,000 miles over the sea before returning to land. They are caring parents. The male and female take turns incubating the eggs, feeding and protecting the chicks. They are very clever and have a highly developed repertoire for communication. If you pay attention, you can hear them chat.
Hey Ma, are those ants down there?
No, Junior. People.
They are all constantly moving. They seem happy.
Do not fool yourself. Many are unhappy. They worry too much. They do not enjoy the moment. They want what others have, eagerly asking for more. They had overcrowded the cities. They abuse nature, polluting the air and the water.
That is why we travel so far?
No, the main reason we migrate long distances is food and a safe place to breed. The secret of life is enjoying the passage of time. Begin by knowing that you have already arrived. If humans make it difficult for us to land, we will go somewhere else. Respect nature and fly higher and faster than ever dreamed.